Hola, buenos días, bienvenidos a Dar Viajar. Hoy estamos en Madrid, España. Yeah, I can't believe it either. So I actually arrived last night to Madrid after 3 flights, more than 24 hours in transit, and couldn't get to Cuenca because of this. Rescheduled my train for this morning, and well, didn't stop snowing last night. So looks like I'm stuck here in Madrid until further notice. So let's see what you can do in Madrid during a lockdown and a blizzard. You know, the nice part about dragging my suitcase through the snow is that I could just follow the path back to my hostel that I already carved out. So you can see there's nobody in the streets right now. Roads are probably closed. People are just walking in the middle of the highway. There, behind this graffiti is Atocha, the train station here in Madrid. Okay, so I had to stop recording before my hand froze off, but now I'm here at the hostel. Okay, so when I got back to the hostel, the jet lag hit and I pretty much just slept. I think I slept 18 hours. So now it's Sunday. I arrived on a Friday. My train yesterday got canceled, and so I came back to Atocha train station, where I'm coming from right now, to see if there were any trains going to Cuenca, my destination. Still no. They're not saying that they're not going to leave, but they're not saying that they are going to leave. So really it's up in the air. So it's really pretty obvious that something like this is unprecedented here in Madrid. You know, in Cleveland, Chicago, New York, the roads would be plowed, sidewalks would be paved. You know, people would be back to work, business as usual. But as you can see, and looking at the roads, right? I don't think Madrid has snowplows. There are snowplows. I will say it is pretty fun just watching people react to the snow, because, you know, in Cleveland this is like a normal January day, but here people are not used to this. Everyone's just walking in the street, you know, making the most out of it, building snowmen. I was walking last night and I saw so many snowmen on the street. These people sledding, people skiing. Things we should do in Cleveland, honestly. I don't know why I got a hostel. I could have just made an igloo. Any idea when this bus is supposed to come? No? So because they suspended all the trains, right now I'm on my way to a friend's place who lives in Madrid, Laura, and we're gonna wait until they announce something about the trains. Okay, so I finally made it to Cuenca. We hung out for a while, and then the trains did leave this afternoon, so Laura walked me to the train station, and we had enough time to take some selfies before I got on the train. Forgot to record me getting on the train, but for an idea of what that looked like, I went to the train station, they didn't turn me away. So yeah, that's it. Peace out, guys.